Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, and then date and time. Firstly, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time, and here you can change your date, here you can change your time. If you disable the feature automatic time zone, you can also select your time zone here, and you can also change your hour format from time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.